Hi, Deb here. I'm going to demonstrate for you how to download the FileZilla FTP client. First, go to FileZilla-project.org in your browser. That's FileZilla-project.org. When the page opens, you'll see you have two choices. You can download the FileZilla client or you can download the FileZilla server. You do not want to download the FileZilla server. You do want to download the FileZilla client. So we will click on Download FileZilla Client. When the next page comes up, you'll see you have a number of different options, including an option for Mac operating systems and an option for Linux operating systems. Since most of our students have a Windows operating system, we are going to talk about Windows operating system options. And there are two. The first is an executable and the second is a zip file. The zip file comes in handy if you're working from dial-up mode. Otherwise, it's kind of a pain because then you have to unzip everything. Let's choose the recommended option, which is to save the executable on our somewhere on our computer and install from there. So let's click on FileZilla _3.3.1 Windows 32-setup.exe. The download of the setup file will happen automatically, and it will give us the choice of where we'd like to save that file. I normally save these kinds of files on my desktop simply because it makes it easier to find and to get rid of later. So let's save it right there. Alrighty. Now we're going to minimize our browser and we're going to initiate the setup by double-clicking on that shortcut. And we're going to just tell it to run because we know who we got this from. This is the licensing agreement. You have to agree to it. Basically what you're saying is that you will not be evil. Don't be evil. We agree. It gives me the option of adding, removing, or reinstalling components or uninstalling FileZilla. It's doing this because I already have FileZilla on my computer. But if I did not, I might not even see this page. But at any rate, I want to install it, so I'm choosing that option and next. The next little window asks us if we would like to install it and make it available to all users on the computer or only to me. Because I want only this program only available to me, I am going to say so. I'm going to leave all of these as chosen for installation. I'm going to install it in the recommended location simply because later on, if there are automatic updates or if I want to uninstall it, it will make everything go much more smoothly if it's in a predictable location. And I choose next. And then finally, where do I want to put my shortcuts for this? I would like them in accessories. That's where I normally put them. If I don't want shortcuts, I choose that. But since I do, that's what I choose. And I choose install. The installation goes by fairly quickly. In fact, it kind of is fast. And it will be done before you know it. Right there. And now we can start FileZilla. I'm going to resize this window. It came up sort of large. Resize it so that you can see it. There you go. FileZilla. Bada bing, bada boom. There it is.